Hello guys, it's another evening and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's episode we are gonna make some malenge mokimo. That is a combination of beans, pumpkin, corn. Yeah, beans, pumpkin and corn, and then you just kind of add whatever spices you feel like. It's been forever ever since I was in this platform here, and I'm so thankful, and I'm so thankful to God for everything that He has enabled us to deal with. And I'm just glad to be here again, and I'm glad to do what I love doing. Shout out for my fan who called me out and said, yeah, what up Jennifer, you haven't been making food, and so I'm here. You know who you are. Thank you so much, and I love you, all of you guys. Feel free to, actually I am asking that you subscribe to this channel to help this channel grow, and hang on here. We're gonna do this together from the beginning to the end. I'm gonna start by chopping the pumpkin, and then I'm gonna steam it, and then I'm gonna fry the corn, and then I'm gonna mash up the pumpkin, and then I'm just gonna add up everything in one bowl and make one amazing Mokimo without the green. Maybe I should improvise and get my greens over there, blend it up and make it green. I don't know, we'll see. Hang on to the end, okay? Thank you. So guys, I'm just gonna chop everything up here, and I'm gonna steam the pumpkin. I'm just chopping it into smaller pieces so that everything can fit into my pan here. So I'm gonna tachemsha hii and add a little bit more water, and then like I said, I'm steaming up everything. That's gonna be ready in no time. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes, and this will be ready in about 15 minutes. So guys, that is my corn. I'm just gonna rinse. I'm gonna rinse and drain it. And this is my beans that I made earlier in a pressure cooker, and I'm sure it's ready. Let's find out. So that is the beans, and I'm just gonna drain that as well. Drain that, and this is starting to boil, so itakuwa tu dakika chache hivi, and I'm just gonna mash it up and make everything ready, make it happen right here in our kitchen. Stay on. So this is ready all. I'm not gonna open yet just because I don't want all the steam in my house. So I'm gonna turn this off and just let it cool off. Let's see what's happening here. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, so this is my little pepper, just a little bit of pepper, and lots of garlic. So at this point in time, this is actually ready to go. This is ready to go, and this is ready to go. So this is already drained. And I'm just gonna start with the corn. I will start with the corn here, guys, and then I will follow with the beans, and then I will, at this point in time, I can open my, wow, it's steaming hot like crazy. I'm gonna mash up my pumpkins. It's a little bit hot. Okay, there's one stubborn over there. Now that wasn't very hard. Guys, next I'm gonna just drain the beans. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing here. And I'm just gonna drain everything like that. Okay guys, just forgive me here, I'm using one hand. So I do have my corn. Oh, it has some soup, finally. Looking good, nice and golden. I'm sure it tastes really good. So mind you, this is just Mokimo. All I needed was a little bit of spice. Sometimes you don't even need any spices. So next I'm just gonna add this, and I will place my camera here so I can bring this along. See, that's a lot of food. So there you got my step one of the meal process, which is legally called githeri. It's a dish of corn and beans. Next in line is gonna be this mashed pumpkin, and I'm just, at this point in time, I'm just letting this spice up a little bit, and then this is already mashed up. And the reason I don't want to mix everything up right now is because it's gonna stick to the bottom of the pan. So what I'm letting happen is I'm just letting all the spices soak up into the beans for about 5 minutes, and then I can mix it up with that, and then we call it a dish. I'm gonna start by removing excess githeri, and then I'm left with a little amount. So at this point in time, you just mix it up. Make sure everything blends in really good. And there you got a mushy Mokimo. So guys, it looks like that. You can serve it over beef stew or whatever it is that you want to serve it with. You can serve it over tea. You can serve it by itself. I believe it's a balanced diet. It has at least all the 3 food groups: plant protein, grain or corn, and a vegetable, which is either a vegetable or a fruit. I don't know if a pumpkin is a vegetable or a fruit. I will leave it up to you. So I just made my mokimo there, and this is my leftover githeri. I'm gonna freeze it up for another day. And that is officially ready, because it's just gonna steam up with whatever heat that was left over. I will just clean up the rest of the dishes. So guys, it was a pleasure cooking with you. Please try this at home and let us know how it turns out next time. Until next time.